Imagine a YouTube channel that delivers spine-chilling, mind-bending mysteries in just 15 seconds. No captions, no narration, just eerie music and cinematic AI visuals. This exact format works for channels like Creepy Visuals, Dark Shorts, and Mystery in Motion, racking up millions of views on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. How to generate viral mystery concepts that hypnotize viewers. How to create 30 high-quality videos in one day using AI tools. How to upload, schedule, and start monetizing quickly with short, high-engagement content. Each mystery follows a 15-second 3-scene structure. The hook, first 5 seconds, set up the mystery with an eerie, shocking, or strange event. The twist, the next 5 seconds, introduce the strange clue, unexplained event, or chilling reveal. The payoff, final 5 seconds, leave the viewer wondering, unsettled, or wanting more. AI prompt for generating ideas. Generate 30 viral mystery video ideas designed for 15-second animations with no text or narration. Each should have a chilling, unexplained, or cinematic premise, a 3-scene breakdown following hook, twist, payoff. Example, video scripts, the Vanishing village of Hoia, Verde. Scene 1, a mailman enters a Brazilian village, completely empty. Scene 2, inside a house, a warm meal sits untouched, a chair lies on the floor. Scene 3, the final shot, a door with a single mysterious carving as eerie wind blows. Music style, slow rising horror ambience with distant whispers. The Bermuda Triangle mystery scene. 1, a military plane flies over the ocean as storm clouds gather. Scene 2, the pilot looks at his instruments. Everything malfunctions. Scene 3, the screen glitches, static fills the frame, then silence. The plane is gone. Music style, suspenseful build-up, transitioning to eerie silence. The Black Knight satellite mystery. Scene 1, astronauts on the ISS spot a strange unknown object floating in space. Scene 2, the object suddenly emits a flashing signal. Scene 3, the signal repeats, revealing patterns not of human origin. Music style, futuristic low-frequency hum with glitch effects. The Dyatlov Pass incident scene. 1, snow-covered mountains, a broken tent sways in the wind. Scene 2, a flashlight flickers, strange footprints lead away from the campsite. Scene 3, a final eerie shot, a frozen, expressionless face staring into the void. Music style, slow piano notes mixed with haunting wind sounds. Japan's haunted forest scene. 1, a lone hiker walks into a dense forest. Scene 2, they turn, shadowy figures shift between the trees. Scene 3, the camera moves forward, suddenly the hiker is gone. Music style, slow creeping violin with distorted whispers. Creating viral mystery videos is fast and easy with AI. Here's how. Go to authorityvideos.com and enter this AI prompt. Create a cinematic horror-style animation about a lone hiker disappearing in Japan's haunted forest. Show eerie fog, shifting shadows, and a final shot of emptiness. Customize the visuals, add dark color grading, slow camera movements, flickering lights. Click Generate Video. Repeat for the Bermuda Triangle mystery, the Black Knight satellite, the Vanishing village of Hoia, Verde, the Dyatlov Pass incident. Batch, upload 30 videos at once, log into YouTube Studio, upload all 30 videos, saving them as drafts, SEO and metadata for maximum growth. Use this AI prompt to optimize titles and tags, generate a viral title, description, and 5 to 7 tags for a 15-second horror mystery video about insert mystery name. Example, the vanishing village of Hoia, Verde. Title, 600 people vanished overnight, no one knows why. Tags, mystery, you're unexplained. Creepy shorts, thumbnail. Hack, screenshot the creepiest moment. Take a high contrast screenshot from the animation. No text, just dark visuals that scream mystery. Monetization, start earning. Fast even without talking or text, you can make money fast. Here's how. YouTube Shorts. Fund YouTube pays creators for high engagement shorts, just need views. Affiliate marketing. Promote mystery books, horror movies, or ghost hunting gear. Example, the Bermuda Triangle Mystery. Link to a book on Amazon. Merch, unsolved, hoodies and posters. Best design idea, a dark figure with glowing eyes and still unsolved, printed on it. Printful and Teespring handle everything for free. Sponsorships, 100k plus views. Pitch horror, mystery, brands like Audible, VPNs, or ghost hunting apps. Now it's your turn with 30 mystery shorts ready. You're just steps away from launching your viral channel. Ready to start? AuthorityVideos.com makes it easy to create cinematic mystery shorts in minutes. Start now, it's free to try. Your imagination is the only limit. Let's make something terrifyingly amazing together.